Welcome back to the channel. Rumors are swirling that Apple might introduce the highly anticipated iPad mini 7 in September. This would mark the first update since September 2021, a gap that has left many wondering what new features Apple has in store for their compact tablet. With the giant's history of big September announcements, it's no surprise that speculation is running high about what we can expect from the next version of the iPad mini. Display updates. The iPad mini 7's display is expected to feature some notable upgrades, one of the most exciting being its 8.3-inch LCD screen. While this size is the same as the previous model, the resolution could see a significant bump to 1,488 by 2,266 pixels. This sharper resolution would deliver enhanced clarity, making it ideal for media consumption like watching videos or playing games, and for reading, where text and images would appear more defined and vibrant. In addition to the resolution upgrade, there's speculation that the iPad mini 7 will address a common issue from the previous model, jelly scrolling. This phenomenon occurs when one side of the display refreshes faster than the other, creating a slight but noticeable wobble when scrolling through content. It was a complaint with the iPad mini 6, particularly in portrait mode. By potentially fixing this, Apple could significantly enhance the overall scrolling experience, providing smoother motion when browsing through apps, websites, or documents. Together, these rumored improvements would make the iPad mini 7's display not only more visually appealing but also more functional, offering users a better and more fluid interaction with their content. These changes would appeal to those who use the iPad mini for both entertainment and productivity, enhancing its versatility as a compact yet powerful device. Performance. When it comes to performance, the iPad mini 7 might come with some serious power under the hood. There's speculation that it could be equipped with either the A17 Pro chip or even the A18 chip, both of which are expected to bring significant upgrades in speed and efficiency. These chips could not only improve the tablet's overall performance but also extend battery life and handle more demanding apps or multitasking with ease. If true, this would make the iPad mini 7 an excellent choice for power users, whether they're editing videos, gaming, or just managing multiple tasks. Camera. Another interesting rumor surrounding the iPad mini 7 is about its front-facing camera. It's speculated that Apple might move the camera to the long side of the tablet. This change would make it more convenient for users during video calls or conferences, as it would offer a more natural angle when holding the iPad in landscape mode. It's a small but meaningful shift that could make video chatting and content creation on the iPad mini even more enjoyable and functional. Apple Pencil. One of the more exciting possibilities for the iPad mini 7 is the potential support for the Apple Pencil Pro. This feature would be a game changer for artists, designers, and anyone who loves to sketch or take notes. The Apple Pencil Pro offers more precision and advanced features, making the iPad mini a powerful tool for creative work on the go. Whether you're drawing, editing photos, or marking up documents, the addition of Apple Pencil Pro support could take productivity and creativity to the next level. In summary, the iPad mini 7 is shaping up to be an exciting update for Apple's smallest tablet. With rumors of a sharper display, no more jelly scrolling, a powerful A17 Pro or A18 chip, and the possibility of a front-facing camera on the long side. This could be the most functional iPad mini yet. And for those who love to create, the potential support for the Apple Pencil Pro is a huge bonus. As always, we'll have to wait for Apple's official announcement, but if these rumors turn out to be true, the iPad mini 7 could easily become a must-have for both casual users and professionals alike.